Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood. Welcome to this week's RNK Software Club's video for the week. And our topic for this week is about how to use the Floriani Rainbow tool to blend colors together. And so to get started, I've created the word Floriani using the dancing script. And I have it already on my workspace. And so I guess to get started with blending colors using the rainbow tool, I would need to first of all select this embroidery. And the rainbow tool is not actually part of the main Floriani program. It is one of the add-on programs. And so you may or may not have this tool, but if you do have Floriani Rainbow, you will know because it will be on your workspace. It's beside the color play tool, and in between the You Design It tool is a little rainbow. It says rainbow, and you hover over it, and it looks a little bit like a radio. What am I trying to say? It's a rainbow colored slinky or kind of an arc. Anyway, go ahead and click on that tool, and you will see that immediately it starts to show you color profiles. And there's a drop down list that you can choose from with things like Neapolitan colors and electric colors or rainbow colors, and it will take you from purple through light blue and over to red kind of thing. And so it introduces new color stops into your designs, and it's very easy to quickly choose the rainbow color palette and apply rainbow to your Floriani. But if you want to blend colors, that is a little different. So let's go ahead and select the word Floriani again. And this time, when I click on the rainbow tool, instead of choosing the rainbow choice, I'm going to say to create a new one. And it will simply ask me for a name. So we'll call it Today and say, okay. I already have one that's called Today. So we'll call it Tomorrow. And that should be okay. Yep. Oh, for goodness sakes, I've already got Tomorrow too. Well, how about Yesterday? And so I now have a new color theme that I've created called Yesterday. And I also have the ability to manage those and delete them at some point. So if I want to clean up the ones that I've made in the past, I can. I'll show you how to do that as well. So to get started, learning to blend colors with the rainbow tool, you'll notice that when I started my new profile called Yesterday, that it gave me the colors blue and the colors red. And I can move and have more blue and less red, or more red and less blue, just by moving this color stop marker. And wherever I put it is kind of where it will go. And if I want to add more in between, I just click, not on the color, but just below it where I see a small plus on my cursor. I just go ahead and click there, and it adds another one. So essentially I've got blue, blue, red, and I can select any one of these. I could select the red, and I could make it be, for example, any color from the palette, but I'll choose a light blue. So now it goes blue, same blue, and then light blue. But I could choose the second color stop of the same blue and make it be a medium blue, So now I'm kind of like creating a blue, blue, blue color profile. And so this is where the blending comes in. There's a button here. When I choose blend, it asks me, first question is, which side do you want to blend? So the first side or the second side, and or both sides kind of thing. So I'll do both sides. And really, there's just one or two steps of blending. So if you do two steps on both sides, that will be kind of the maximum amount that's possible with one kind of go around of it. And so if I say okay, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so now that I've chose to do color blending, we still have our three original colors, the sort of darkest blue, the medium blue, and the lighter blue. But notice that now in between dark blue and medium blue, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 additional color stops. So this design has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 color stops. And like I said, you can move around the markers. for where, and it'll blend in between. And so now we've created a design that has 11 shades of blue, and we've called it Yesterday. And if I click save, that will save the theme, so I can always use my Yesterday theme, because I also have apparently a theme called Today, and I could choose that one as well. And it's just got 2 colors in it. And I even have one called Tomorrow, and that one's got all kinds of cool colors in it. And so if I didn't want Tomorrow anymore and I selected it, I could choose delete. And are you sure you want to delete Tomorrow? And yes, so we have no Tomorrow anymore. And if I go ahead and select Today and then choose delete, now I've gotten rid of Today as well. And so we only have Yesterday. And I'm just kind of being funny, but it does show how it works. So we still have the profile called Yesterday. And of course, we could create a new one and call it Today now, because I've cleaned that up. But at the end of the day, when I say okay, it will add all of those color stops to my embroidery design. And so, now we've got a design that has kind of a cool blue color blend. And if you ever wanted to make a change to it when you select it, you can click back onto the rainbow tool and continue to interact with your, color blending, and or change to a different palette altogether, and simply say okay, and it will update. And I guess if you don't want any rainbow at all anymore on your segment, then select it, click on your rainbow tool, and up at the top there is the option for none, which will essentially just take you, right back to being a one color kind of embroidery design. And so, yeah, we hope you enjoyed this week's RNK Software Club's video for the week, which was all about using the rainbow tool to create cool color blends. Until next week, have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.